Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of Her Mountain, Her Sea, chapter 76. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Chitang, right now, she was picking a gift for Yuyu. This kind of red is like a bright color on the lips when Asian women, red makeup, is for a married couple. Just want this one. What would it look like if you painted it on Yuyu? Chitang suddenly she got curious. Well, after fraying the lipstick right now, she was holding the bag. I don't know if Yuyu will like it this 18th birthday gift. So it turns out, Chitang's preferring gift for Yuyu. No, it's completely hidden downstreams of the pillow. I may not find it. Chitang said to herself. She was afraid that Yuyu can see that. Well, this should work. Chitang, right now, she's convincing herself that Yuyu can find it. Also, right now, Yuyu finally came back on dormitory room. Look at her. She was looking lightly on the background. Suddenly, seeing Chitang sleep. But Chitang was not responding towards her. Probably this girl. She really want to coax her and frank her. Suddenly, huh? What is this? Yuyu suddenly got curious. There's something behind that pillow. On the other hand, when Chitang placed it under the bed, and right now, Yuyu, she got really curious. Well, definitely Chitang. Why so quiet? Don't you like it? Ah, I said that straight man's gift should be returned. Oh, it turns out she really feels sad because Yuyu. It seems that she don't like it. It was the view of Chitang on her mind. But suddenly Chitang, she got surprised when suddenly Yuyu took off. Hey, what about the rest of the people? Oh, why suddenly? Only the two of them were on the rooms. Did she try it out? Chitang, she was really curious on what will happen when Yuyu suddenly used that. But right now, she seems to be surprised. Seeing Yuyu for the first time, now she also wants to fix her face. Right now, Chitang, she moved closer to Yuyu. Said to her, it seems a little uneven. Yuyu said to Chitang, but right now, look at her. She was really caught on act. This girl, she was really cute, and she thinks that she's being oppressed. As Yuyu at this moment, why did you wake up? To help you to paint it. Chitang said to her. Well, can Chitang knows this? Do you know? It should be. Chitang said. Well, let's see on what will happen. Since Chitang trying to paint Yuyu's lips, she put the lipstick on carefully. Now Chitang, she was really serious. And also for Yuyu, she looks really appealing. On the other hand, Chitang said, don't move. Open your mouth. Oh, this girl, what is she going to do? Chitang, now, she was really blushing. This scene is so familiar, Chitang said to herself. On the other hand, it looked like an animated short film I watched many years ago. Well, let's wait what will happen next. The heroine inside will always light a little red between her lips when she see her sweetheart. Indulgent love's uncontrollable, also the appearance. Right now, it was Yuyu said to her, it's upwind. Well, definitely, we can wait to see what will Yuyu become. Turns out, she was really beautiful. Although her face is turning red, she was really look gorgeous. When Chitang suddenly looked back, now she was really blushing. Probably, she doesn't know that or something. Right now, instead, she was really blushing. Although right now, it's not painted well, let me bite with really it again. So it turns out Chitang, she was not convinced by her own work. Instead, suddenly, she grabbed her hands and holding it. Well, probably, the fish was still holding hers. She moved closer to Chitang, and Chitang, she seems to be surprised. Yuyu's action, it's really strange for her, especially right now. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!